Hi, good morning. Today we are going to discuss about collecting banker responsibilities. So it's not such a big topic, but let's have a clear understanding. As I discussed earlier in paying banker responsibilities, collecting banker is the one who collects on behalf of some person. For example, I gave a check. I have an account in State Bank of India. So if I gave a check to Subbarao for 5,000 rupees, so Subbarao generally deposit the check wherever he have account. So if he say for example he deposits it in ICICI Bank, then ICICI Bank becomes the collecting bank in this transaction. So you are clear. It collects on behalf of Subbarao. So now there is no such legal provisions to give duties, but by means of practice, not by law, by means of practice, banks practice some uh, responsibilities, but law do provide protection. Negotiable Instrument Act 1881 under section 131 gives protection under the following conditions. First one is good faith. All the business to be done in bank to be in good faith only. Second one is we have to collect on behalf of only for our customers. We should not do for any other thing, people. Next, one more thing I need to mention here. It is a principal agent relation. We act as an agent. So, as an agent, we have every right to accept as well as reject. We don't need to collect on behalf of customer. It is not an obligation. If you want, you can reject. You can't deny payment when the check is proper, everything is proper. But you can deny collection. Then, so we can do only for customer. Then comes the negligence. In case of negligence, we should not. There are various aspects that fall under negligence. First thing is there should be proper KYC and document for the person we are collecting. Say for example, many have this bad habit. Say for example, I have that bad habit of signing my checks without writing the beneficiary name. So I lost one of my check. One Subbarao luckily got that check. He wrote his name and deposited in your bank. What will happen? Yes, it is a fraud. But if you have a proper KYC, you are nowhere liable for this transaction. But if you don't have proper KYC, you will be held responsible because Subaru can't be traced. As of lack of proper KYC, you will be considered as a part of fraud. It's so dangerous. Next thing, defect instruments is also a danger. We should observe whether the instrument is proper or not. Is there any uh, mismanagement or they do forgery or anything? We can't find out the sign, but we can find out the changes they made. Say for example, they made this Subbarao, they made corrected it to Subbarao. Then we should not, because this altered them. So we should not accept such stuff. If it can be observed by trained eye, we should reject. If it is not observable, then we don't need to reject it. Then we also have to inquire about customer state. Say for example, a daily trader who trades for 5 lakhs come with a 5 lakh check, not a problem. But say for example, a person who receives 500 or 1000 as pension, all of a sudden come for or some debt, government pension money, like that he receives that. All of a sudden he came out with 10 lakhs check. You can accept, there is a possibility, but before that you should generally ask him about the source of funds. Then only you should go ahead with this transaction. Many a times it can't be established properly, but it is a safety measure particularly for us. We can keep ourselves out of frauds by using this technique. Just casually inquire, you will get to know. Many people use these poor people for fraud purposes. So they will be in the soup, and we also will be in the same soup. So please be careful, keep yourself out of tomato soup. Then checks should be crossed properly. Say for example, I gave a check Subbarao, so and so account ICICI Bank. That should be accepted by only ICICI Bank. You should not accept even though you have a Subbarao account. Please be careful. It is special crossing. Say for example, Subbarao. Okay, it is general crossing. He can deposit in any account, but it can't be deposited into Subbarao account. So we have to follow that. If we follow that, we are well protected. So this is the concept of this topic.